Ever ponder what makes the weather tick? Well, pull up an imaginary chair and lend an ear. The world around us is a complex symphony of interactions, but let's focus on the weather for now. Imagine a pot of water on a stove. As it heats, the water turns to steam and rises. This is evaporation. The same thing happens in our oceans and lakes. Water heats up, evaporates, and ascends into the atmosphere. Then, picture the steam cooling down and turning back into droplets of water. That's condensation, the same process that forms clouds. When these droplets become too heavy, they fall as precipitation, which could be rain, snow, or even hail. In a nutshell, that's the water cycle, the heart of our weather system. It's a never-ending dance of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Stay curious, friends, and remember, there's no such thing as bad weather, just different kinds of good weather. As we journey through the year, each season brings its own unique weather phenomena. Spring, the season of renewal, unfolds with flowers blooming, birds chirping, and frequent rain showers. These rains are responsible for the lush green landscapes and the rainbow of colors we associate with this season. Then comes summer, the season of heat and long days. Picture sunny skies, beach trips, and the simple pleasure of an ice cream cone, all courtesy of the warm weather. This heat is due to the Earth's tilt, which positions us closer to the sun. As we transition into autumn, the weather begins to cool down. The leaves change from green to a palette of reds, oranges, and yellows. Pumpkin patches pop up, and cool breezes signal the coming winter. This transformation is due to the reduced sunlight as the Earth tilts away from the sun. Finally, winter arrives, bringing with it a blanket of snow. People bundle up in warm clothes, and hot cocoa becomes a favorite drink. This cold weather is due to our part of the Earth tilting away from the sun, receiving less direct sunlight. Each season has its own charm, and the weather plays a big part in that. So the next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the weather for the wonders it brings. Remember, friends, every type of weather is just another chapter in our planet's fascinating story.